They're small, they're green, and they pack a powerful nutritional punch. Pistachios have been delighting taste buds and nourishing bodies for thousands of years. But there's more to these little nuts than meets the eye. In the comment section below, please write, what do you call pistachio nut in your language? In vibrant green, you stand apart, a nut that's loved with all our heart. Pistachio, in every hue, a nut so grand, so pure, so true. Pistachios have been part of human history since prehistoric times, with evidence of consumption dating back 300,000 years. Native to the Middle East, these nuts were so prized that they were considered fit for royalty. Legend has it that the Queen of Sheba hoarded all the pistachio harvest for her exclusive use. In orchards wide where sunlight gleams, grows a nut that fills our dreams. A shell of tan, a heart of green, the finest jewel ever seen. Pistachios gained significant importance in the ancient Near East, where they were highly valued by royalty. According to legend, the Queen of Sheba even reserved pistachios exclusively for royal consumption. The Queen of Sheba, who ruled over the Sabaean kingdom in what is now Yemen and Ethiopia, is said forbidding commoners from consuming them. Pistachio, oh! Nut so grand, from ancient Persia's fertile land. In lavish feasts, you took your place, a royal treat of charm and grace. Pistachios originated in Central Asia, specifically in the region encompassing modern-day Iran, Afghanistan, and Syria. Evidence suggests that people consumed pistachios in this area as far back as 6750 BC in Uzbekistan. These ancient nuts were prized by early civilizations, including the Persians, who believed pistachios symbolized wealth and wellness. Pistachios were even considered a delicacy by royalty and were often part of lavish feasts. The spread of pistachios across the globe is a tale of trade and travel. Along the Silk Road, traders carried these precious nuts to new lands, introducing them to Europe and beyond. Alexander the Great's conquests in the 330 BC introduced pistachios to Greece. Later, the Roman Emperor Tiberius brought pistachios to Spain and Italy, further expanding their reach in Europe. Islamic influence. The rise of Islam in the 7th century AD played a crucial role in expanding the trade and cultivation of pistachios. During the Middle Ages, pistachios grew in popularity throughout the Islamic world. Pistachios were introduced to Europe during the Middle Ages, initially as a luxury item. They were often served at royal banquets and highly valued for their unique flavor. American adoption. Pistachios were introduced to the United States in the mid-1800s. However, commercial cultivation didn't begin until the 1960s in California. Pistachio orchards thriving in places like California, one of the largest producers of pistachios in the world. Pistachios are a nutritional powerhouse. Just 1 ounce provides protein, fiber, healthy fats, and an array of vitamins and minerals, including vitamin B6, potassium, and magnesium. Packed with nutrients, pure and wise, you're nature's gift in a small disguise. With protein, fiber, healthy fats, you're more than just a tasty snack. For heart and eyes, you play your part. In every bite, you show your heart. A tiny treasure, full of might, you bring us health with each small bite. Pistachios are heart healthy. Their monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats help reduce bad cholesterol levels, lowering the risk of heart disease. Concerned about weight? Pistachios can help. Despite being energy-dense, they can aid in weight management. Their high fiber and protein content promote satiety, helping control appetite. Pistachios also play a role in blood sugar control. Their low glycemic index and healthy fats help regulate blood sugar levels, making them a smart choice for those managing diabetes. Eye health. Pistachios are good for your eyes too. They contain lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidants that protect against age-related macular degeneration and promote overall eye health. Gut health. The fiber in pistachios acts as a prebiotic, feeding the good bacteria in your gut. Whether you're snacking on them straight from the shell, sprinkling them on salads, or incorporating them into your favorite recipes, remember, these little green nuts are more than just a tasty treat. They're a bite-sized dose of history and health, all wrapped up in a satisfyingly crunchy package. Pistachios, small nut, big impact. From baklava to creamy ice cream, you turn desserts into a dream. In salads, fresh or savory bites, you bring delight. Oh pistachio, so sweet and fine, in every dish, you truly shine. Recipe: pistachio-crusted salmon with quinoa and veggies. Ingredients: for the salmon, 4 salmon fillets wild-caught, about 6 ounces each. 1/2 cup shelled pistachios, finely chopped, 2 tablespoons panko breadcrumbs, 2 tablespoons grated Parmesan cheese, optional, 1 tablespoon Dijon mustard, 1 tablespoon honey, salt and pepper to taste. For the quinoa, 1 cup quinoa, rinsed, 2 cups low-sodium vegetable or chicken broth, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon onion powder, salt and pepper to taste. For the vegetables, 1 cup cherry tomatoes, halved, 1 medium zucchini, diced, 1 red bell pepper, diced, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 teaspoon Italian seasoning, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions. Prepare the quinoa. In a medium saucepan, bring the vegetable or chicken broth to a boil. Add the quinoa, reduce the heat to low, cover, and simmer for 15 minutes or until the quinoa is cooked and the liquid is absorbed. Fluff with a fork and stir in the olive oil, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, and pepper. Set aside and keep warm. Prepare the vegetables. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius. On a baking sheet, toss the cherry tomatoes, zucchini, and red bell pepper with olive oil, Italian seasoning, salt, and pepper. Spread the vegetables in a single layer and roast for 20-25 minutes, or until tender and slightly caramelized. Prepare the salmon. In a small bowl, mix together the Dijon mustard and honey. In another bowl, combine the finely chopped pistachios, panko breadcrumbs, and Parmesan cheese, if using. Season the salmon fillets with salt and pepper. Brush the top of each fillet with the mustard-honey mixture. Press the pistachio mixture onto the top of each fillet, pressing gently to adhere. Cook the salmon. Place the salmon fillets on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper or lightly greased. Bake in the preheated oven for 12-15 minutes, or until the salmon is cooked through and the pistachio crust is golden and crispy. Serve. To serve, place a portion of quinoa on each plate. Top with a pistachio-crusted salmon fillet. Add a generous serving of roasted vegetables on the side. With every crack and every taste, you bring a smile you never waste. A nut of charm, a nut so true, pistachio, we dance to you. Now it is time for a funny dialogue between pistachio and cashew. Pistachio: hey, cashew. Long time no see, what's new in your nuts world? Cashew: oh, you know, just the usual. Hanging out in snack bowls, avoiding being turned into butter. How about you? Pistachio: same here. Though, I did have a bit of an identity crisis last week. Someone called me a fancy almond. I mean, really? Cashew: oh, that's tough. I've been mistaken for a peanut more times than I can count. Like, do I look like I grow underground? Pistachio, right? They got the nerve. And don't get me started on the shell jokes. Why are you so hard to crack? Well, maybe because I'm worth it. Cashew, grinning. At least you have a shell. I feel so exposed and butt naked sometimes. It's like, here I am, world. Very vulnerable. Pistachio. Chuckling, true. But hey, at least people appreciate us. I heard those poor Brazil nuts only get picked out during mixed nut binges. Cashew. Yeah, they have it rough. But I heard they've been forming a union. Equal munching rights for all nuts. Pistachio. Laughs. Power to the nuts. We should join them. Let's go. Maybe we can finally get some respect around here. Cashew. Absolutely. Let's start by taking over the trail mix. No more being sidelined by old raisins and chocolate chips. Pistachio. Yes. A nut revolution. We shall rise, and they will all see our true value. Cashew. To the snack aisle and beyond. Pistachio. Now, let's go find a human to drive nuts with our deliciousness. Here's to you, the nut supreme, the emerald of our nutty dream. In every form, in every bite, you fill our days with pure delight. Stay happy and healthy. I will see you in my next nutritious and nutty episode. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.